Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will talk today about the sun line. What is sun line? A line at sun mount is called sun line. If we draw a line from center of Saturn and Sun finger and center of Sun and Mercury finger, we will find a mount that we called sun mount. So any vertical line at sun mount is sun line. So we will talk about sun line today, and this is called success line. A person how much successful in his life we can see by this sun line. And this is also called fame line or talent line. How much talent a person have, a palmist can see by the sun line. But before analyzing the sun line, we have to analyze the condition of mounts. Status of mount, they are low, high or even. So we have to analyze all the mount. Mainly we have to consider Jupiter mount, Mercury mount and sun mount, and then we have to proceed about the sun line. When we have to analyze a person's talent, success and fame. So now, and second thing, we will analyze the length of sun line and from where it's coming. Two things we will analyze to see 2 points for analyzing the sun line. First is mount condition, they are even, low or high. So, and second we will see the sun line from where it's coming up to sun mount. So we will see two things, then we will analyze the sun line's result. So now one by one we are describing. First point, if a person has sun line in sun mount and a money line coming from bracelet line up to Saturn mount, as I described in earlier videos, that this is number one fate line which is coming from bracelet line and ending at Saturn mount. If a person have sun line and sun mount and fate line or Saturn line coming from bracelet line and ending at Saturn mount, this type of yoga is international fame and money gain. This type of person will be very successful in his life and he will be famous international level. So this yoga, and we have to see his Jupiter mount, sun mount and Mercury mount. They should be even or high. They should not be low. If these mounts are low, then this yoga will not be resulting. So if Jupiter mount, sun mount and Mercury mount are high or even, they should not be low, and these two lines are present, so this type of person will be internationally famous. And second, two sun line. If this line is not present, no problem. If a person have two sun line, first sun line and parallel to this two sun line, so this type of person will be multi-talented and he will have minimum 2 income of sources or more than 2. So this is, and next 3 sun line. If two parallel lines with this sun line, means if a person have three sun lines at sun mount and his Mercury, Sun and Jupiter mount are even or high, so this is very good yoga. This type of person will be an IAS officer, PCS officer in high administrative post, and if this type of person is living in village, so he will be a village head, or he can hold a post at his village. So this is very good yoga. And next, if sun line coming from bracelet line and ending at sun mount, if this yoga is showing in a person palm, so this type of person will gain name, fame and money in his life. Not necessary three lines, only one line, this type of only one line will be very, very good resulting line. If a line coming from bracelet line and ending at sun mount, so this is very effective line. And we will see his Jupiter mount, Mercury mount and sun mount. It should be even or high. If these mounts are low, then this line will not be effective. So next is a line, sun line coming from Mars mount, this type of line. So Mars, so if this type of line, this line is sun line is coming from Mars 1 or Mars 2 area, then this type of person will be successful with his own effort in his life. And if this line coming from Mars 2 area, so this type of person will be successful with his own and will be an officer in defense. So this is very good yoga also. But this type of person, if line coming from Mars 1 or Mars 2, this type of person will be successful with his own effort. And next, is line coming from moon mount, sun line coming from moon mount and this, if a line coming from sun line coming from moon mount and indicate sun mount, so this type of person will be successful with the support of her mother, her wife or her lover, or will be successful with her mother side or wife side. They will support, some female person will support in a person life if this type of line present coming from moon mount and indicate sun mount. Next is two branch sun line. If a sun line have two branches, so this type of person have Mercury qualities and Saturn qualities. What is Mercury qualities and Sun qualities also? What is Mercury? Mercury qualities, this type of person will have good communication skill and will have good money, and he will also have sun line qualities, that is commanding qualities or some good post holding. So three qualities this type of person will have three qualities: Mercury quality, good communication skill, good money gain and fame also. And next is very good yoga, we read this type of yoga, Raj Yoga. If a person sun line with 3 branches, if a person have this type of sun line, that 3 branches sun line, so in palmistry we read this type of yoga, Raj Yoga. This type of person will be an IAS officer and will be internationally famous in his life. So but with this we will see, as I described before, his Jupiter mount should be high or even, and second, Sun mount should be high or even, and Mercury mount should be high and even. If these mounts are low and this type of lines are present in a person palm, then this yoga will not be happen. So this we read this type of yoga, Raj Yoga Bhang, disturb the Raj Yoga. So this Raj Yoga will not be happen in his palm. So this is all about today, and as I described before, that I am giving a gift plan in our channel, but there are 3 terms. First is the person have to subscribe my channel, and second one is person have to like and comment my videos regularly, and third, he have to write in my comment with his general comment has gift plan. So we will choose, if a person fulfilling these 3 terms, and we will choose some person for free palmistry consulting. So please like my videos, comment and write this, and we will choose some of lucky persons amongst you and do free palmistry consulting. And it's all about today. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.